are going to do day 2 of this CodeChef chapters. This is the practice problem set of intermediate rank. So there are two problems once again and along with editorials. So let's see. Let me search both of them. Okay, so this is the problem and this is the editorial. Okay, if you find it difficult to understand, then you can go through it, but let's first of all understand the what is the problem. Let me first of all log in. I got it. Okay, so this is the problem, coins and triangle. So here what we have to do is 1 1 2 1 2 3. There are 3 rows. Okay, and first row contain 1 coin, second row contain 2 gold coins, and third contain 3 gold coins. So according to question, we are given a single integer t denoting the number of test cases, and the first and the only line of each test case contain an integer denoting the number of gold coins chef has. Okay, so there are test cases and then an integer. So for each test case, output a single line containing an integer corresponding to the maximum possible height of the triangle that chef can get. Okay, so maximum possible height क्या होगी ट्रायंगल की? जैसे अगर इनपुट 3 है, if the input is 3, then 1 2 3, so the maximum possible height will be 2 only. Same way input is this is a test case, 3 and integers are required, so they have written 3. So for 3 coins we will get height 2. For 5 coins, let me show you. If someone is having problem in understanding this, and this will make it way better. These are 3 coins making the height 2. Okay, 1 2 3. Now they are asking about what about 5 coins. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is not required. We are only having 5 coins. So what we can get? We can't get the third one, so the heights will still remain 2. Got it? So that's why the height will still remain 2. For 7, what we will have? We'll have this, and we have one more, but we will not take it because 3 is required for up till this height. So hope you get it what the question want to say. If not, you can uh, check this out. This problem is tricoin. So let me show you how to get the answer. So how to solve this problem? Here in editorial they have already written that the maximum possible height of a triangle is the maximum possible value of h, such that h into h plus 1 by 2 smaller than equal to m, smaller than equal to. Keep this in mind. So what we'll do, first of all, this is the basically the logical part. Yeah. it's not the complete answer. Int main is not given. So in int main, first of all, we will try to loop all this function in test cases. So what is the function? We are taking int n, then cin number, and then height is 1. Okay, when sum h, now sum h means this. Now in this while loop they are calling this. So for sum int h, return h into h plus 1 by 2 according to the formula. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the maximum height of the triangle formed. So if the sum of h smaller than equal to n, this is okay. If you don't want to do this, you can just put this here, no problem. You can just put this here, it's okay. And then h plus plus, see out h minus 1. Okay, will be the answer separated by spaces. So this is the first question. Explanation is already given, you can see this out. Still having problem, you can read their comments also or ask question also. Okay, now coming with the second problem 2. Let me open the editorial also. So in this problem, the question is fit square in triangle. Fit square in triangle. So what is the maximum number of square of side 2 cross 2 that can be fit in a right angled isosceles triangle of base B? Okay, one side of a square must be parallel to the base of the isosceles triangle. Base is the shortest side of the triangle. So what they are saying, let me remove this first. Okay, there is a triangle and we have to put squares in it. Okay, that's how we have to put squares in it. Just be careful that the square of same size, that is 2 2, and space is left here, also space will left, as the figure is not appropriate, but I have made this for understanding purpose. Okay, so what the question is want to say is the same thing. What is the maximum number of square of side 2 cross 2 that can be fit in a right angle isosceles triangle of base B? Okay, so this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, they are talking about this. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and these both are equal, and this is definitely hypotenuse. Visualize this like this is 90 degree. Let me say this again. The maximum number of square of side 2 cross 2 such that it can be fit in a right angled isosceles triangle of base B. What is the maximum number of square of side? Okay, so not a problem. Here also we will make squares. We just have to find the maximum number of squares. Okay, in a right angled isosceles triangle. So these are the constraints. All right, and they are 11 inputs. This is 11 test case number, and then T line follows contain one integer B, the base, and then the answers are written in that appropriate way. Okay, Now let's see the editorial part. This is the problem, and actually the explanation is not very well. It is quite confusing. Okay, so this is some people have this approach, some are trying to do this, and then this is the for people who are willing to know the statement came from. Okay, so try to understand this. Hope I will clear the explanation. This the Bahubali has tried to explain what the problem actually means. Then we come to the solution part. The solution part is very simple. So this is the solution. Okay, all the things are same, and in int main we have called solve function. This is the solve function. That's how it is done. Okay, try to look this, try to understand this, and then you can easily solve it. Hope you get the idea how to solve these kind of problems. Okay, and this was the D2 intermediate. Thanks for watching.